Exness app tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Exness app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Exness, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Exness, it is an award-winning global broker that offers a comprehensive trading experience for both novice and experienced traders. With focus on transparency and user-friendliness, Exness provides a wide range of trading instruments including forex, cryptocurrencies, metal, energies, and many more. And now to start using this application, just go to your Google Play Store for Android user and Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. And after installing, just open this Exness trading platform and just sign in your account. Then you will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see, it will show you in here the dashboard of Exness. Then below you can navigate your accounts, trade, markets, performance, and profile options below here, in which all of those options are necessary before doing trading on this platform. Now as you can see, we're currently using a demo account on Exness. So if you click your account in here, it will show you in here that we're currently under demo account, but you could also choose your real account if you want to. However, on this tutorial, I'm going to use this demo account. Now below here, you will be able to see here your open, pending, and close orders once you start trading on this platform. And aside from that, if you click the details option or button in here, you will be directed under this funds, wherein you will be able to see your balances, your equity, total profit and loss, margin, free margin, margin level, and many more. While under the settings, it will show in here your account details, trading platform, and standard account details. Now moving on in here, below you could also navigate this trade option by simply clicking on it. From here, you'll be able to see the chart, which showcase the movement of the specific price of any instrument. And aside from that, we could also navigate this markets option, in which from here it will show us some of the instruments including the top movers, trading signals, upcoming events, the top news, and many more. And let's say we're choosing a kind of instrument under these top movers. By clicking show more, it will show us in here all of the list of top movers instrument from different kind of categories. We have here majors, metals, crypto, indices, stocks, and many more. In which from here we can basically choose which kind of instrument that we want or we need to trade in order to start earning money by trading using this platform. Now aside from that, moving on, we could also navigate this performance below here, in which it will show us the summary and also the Exness benefit of some of the asset or instrument that we just trade on this platform. Now moving on, we could also navigate here this profile below here, in which you will be able to see here all of your profile settings, the benefits such as the swap-free, negative balance protection, virtual private server, or even the referral program, social trading, and also the support, including the help center, open a ticket, navigate the live chat, suggest a feature, legal documents, and even to rate this application. Now moving on, to start trading, you could also deposit by clicking this deposit button in here and just enter the amount of USD that you want to deposit in your account. Let's say 500 USD. And as you can see, after successfully depositing in your account, you'll be able to see here that we have now 11,000 US dollar available. But you could also withdraw by entering here the amount that you want to withdraw, let's say 1,000 USD. And after withdrawing or successfully withdrawing, you'll be able to see here the effect in which we have now successfully withdraw a 1,000 US dollar. And now to proceed trading, after depositing on your account, let's say we're going to choose under these markets some of the top movers, and by clicking the show more, it will show us all of the available top movers with different categories. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this major from Euro to USD. By clicking on it, from here, you should see here the chart in which it showcases the movement of the price of this instrument. You could also see here the overview and also the specifications details, including the information, the step, the trading hours if it is open or closed. Then below here, it will show us the button which is to sell or to buy this kind of asset or instrument. But for instance, we're going to click this buy button below here. By clicking on it, all you need to do from here is to simply enter the amount or unit of lots that you want to purchase or buy. Then below it will show you the value of it that you need to pay in order to buy that amount of lots. It will show in here the fees, the total margins, and even the leverage. But if you also want to change the lots into different kind of currency, you can do so by clicking these lots and choose USD or Euro. And as you can see, I just chose this USD as the currency. Then we can now proceed by entering the amount in here. However, I'm choosing to go back on the lots as a unit. But before you confirm to buy this amount of unit, you could also navigate this order settings by simply toggle on this order settings right here. You'll be able to see here or be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, we have here under market order that all we need to do is to enter here the amount of price that we expect in order for us to take a profit. You can choose for the unit to become price, USD, or even profit in percentage depending on your preferences. So for instance, if the price becomes 1.1, you'll be able to see here the result of the amount profit that you will get if that happens. Or alternatively, you could also customize this one depending on your preferences. Let's say 1.09, then it will show you below here that you will get 196.1 pips if that price has been reached. Aside from that, under this is stop loss, we could also stop the trading if this specific kind of price has been reached. And below, you will be able to see here the amount of loss that you will get if that happens. And that is just basically under market order. Then you can now proceed by clicking confirm buy if you want to proceed. However, aside from market order, you could also navigate here this buy limit section. By simply clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page, in which from here we can order to purchase an asset or below a specified price, allowing us to control how much we will pay. We can enter here the amount of price, the volume, and also navigate to take profit, and also this is stop loss right here. On the other hand, buy stop section is an order to purchase a security only once price of the security reaches at a specified stop price. So we can simply enter here the stop price to set above the current market price, in which it is a strategy to profit from an upward movement in a stock price by placing an order in advance. And if you're not done, you can now proceed by clicking confirm buy button depending on the choices such as buy limit, buy stop, or even market order. And you will be able to see on the top panel the chart of how the market price movement happens. So you can basically track here and start determining if the prices will go up or will decline. Now moving on, aside from that, we could also start selling in here by clicking the sell button. Then under market order, just fill out all of the required information. But you could also set up using the sell limit or sell stop depending on your preferences. And after that, you'll now be able to see here the result upon selling or buying that you could also track in here. Now going back on this page right here, under our accounts, you'll now be able to see here some of our favorites, popular, top movers, majors, and other category of instruments in here. So let's say we're going to choose this BTC by simply clicking on it. It will show us on this pop-up window that we can simply sell or buy on this kind of instrument by simply entering here the lots or unit that we want to purchase. Then we'd also set up the order settings if you want to. And after setting up or buying, we can now proceed by trading on this platform. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Exness app. Thank you.